Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make Accra beans. The Nigerians call it Akala. So let me walk you guys through the ingredients. So here we have green onions, we have salt, we have vegetable oil to fry, and we have the beans. So what I bought was the beans that has already been cracked, and we have water to soak the beans. So I'm gonna pour the beans in here in the water. I'm gonna do it all, and we let it soak in here for an hour 30 minutes. And after an hour 30 minutes, we're gonna wash it and blend it. So we're gonna leave it here to get soaked for an hour 30 minutes or 2 hours so the beans can be well soft. Yeah. So guys, our beans has been soaked for like, this is like about 2 hours, and I drained the water, and then I make sure those peelings there, I took out the peelings and the black eyes from the beans. And this is our green onions, and I have a little bit of water here. I'll be using this water when needed in the blender. And then this is the blender I'm using. A lot of people have been asking me, how do you do your okra? Because they do theirs, it doesn't really comes out well. So I'll put the link on the description box so you can get it if you want it. The texture of your okra depends on your blender, because if you don't have a good blender, you're not gonna make a perfect okra. Yeah. Yeah, so let's start blending the okra. So with this blender, I don't need to put any water, and it's gonna come out so perfectly. So guys, so I'm gonna take this out right now. So guys, this is the green onions. I'm done with the blending the beans. So right now I'm gonna just blend the green onions so I can combine everything with the beans. And this is the beans that has been blended already. This is really much because it's an order that was given to me by someone to make Accra, so I decided to make a video. So that's why you see it's really much. Yeah. Yeah, our green onions is okay, it's blended, so I'm gonna combine everything with the beans. So let's get started. So guys, the green onion has been combined with the beans. So now I just want to mix everything. You know, I just want to mix everything. So I'm gonna add in salt, and then put salt to taste. So put salt to taste. I'm gonna add salt on in it, and then let it keep turning it. You know, because when you use the stick and you turn it like this, it's gonna give you a very nice texture. So guys, I'm gonna start with 2 tablespoons of salt, and from there I will gonna mix everything, and if I taste it and it is not okay, and then I'm gonna add another salt to it. So you put salt to taste. Yeah. So I started with 2 tablespoons of salt. So guys, this is why I'm trying to mix the akala. I'm trying to mix the akra, putting the salt, the green onions together, making sure everything cooperates well, and it's on my own taste. Now I have vegetable oil on the stove. While the oil is getting hot, and then the stove to medium heat, and I'm gonna let the oil heat while I mix the okra. So guys, here we have our vegetable oil, and I have a water and a spoon. I'll be using the spoon to cut the okra and put it in the pot. So I have this water. This water is gonna help me help the okra to be smooth. So here we have the okra, and I believe the oil is hot. So let me give a try. I do it like this, and then I put in the oil. Let's see, that shows the oil is okay. And I will dip the spoon in water, and I do the same thing. I drop it in oil. I do the same thing like this, and I drop it in oil. I do the same thing, and I drop it in oil. So our Accra is on the stove. So right here, I'm gonna let it cook. When the other side is brown, golden brown, I'm gonna flip it over to the other side. So, but right now, you see how it is, right? This is not golden brown, but you can still flip it over if you want, or you can let it be golden brown and then you flip it. But if you want to flip it like that, you keep on flipping both sides, maybe um 5 to 10 seconds. You flip the sides, so it will be unique. It will be unique. You have a unique color, you know. So guys, this is how a perfect akara should look like. So I'm gonna take this out. You know, when you do it, you have to flip the sides. So guys, I'm gonna repeat the same process here, and I do the frying. I'm gonna repeat the same process. You know what you do is repeat and you put the Accra. Guys, Accra is all done and it's ready to be eaten. So look at how nice it looks. This is so delicious. Like, you eat one, you want to eat like 10 of it. Yes. So please like, subscribe to my channel, and please share this video for others. It might help someone. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye bye.